What's up, Dream Chasers? What's up, Ranch Gang? Breaking news. Dodge literally just broke the internet. We're going to get into it in today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, say what's up in the comments below. My name is Kevin Van Voorst. Welcome to my channel. But before we get started, DJ, please do me a favor and hit that intro.
Supercharged, 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 supercharged.
Well, if you guys have not seen Dodge's new video, they just, in my opinion, broke the internet and are doing something that is exciting and also scary at the same time. It's exciting in one aspect, and it's scary from another aspect. We're going to go over that today. So, if you guys don't know, I've kind of seen this here and there. Dodge has been kind of trickling this direct connection. Basically, they had it in the older days, right, when the muscle car era was alive and well. We're in the version 2.0, in my opinion, and that's coming to an end here soon. Electric vehicles, whether you guys like it or not, I don't like it, are going to be taking over. And the performance industry, in my opinion, is going to take a huge hit because, you know, with electric cars, there's no exhaust, right? There's no pistons. There's none of that stuff. And that'll be a different video. But today's video, they announced direct connection. Basically, they are bringing back their old school direct connection, which is basically a way that you can go to these dealers, connect you with Dodge, basically. And simple terms, I can take my brand new 2021 Red Eye that I was not planning on tuning or fixing up, and guess what? Now I can go to a Dodge dealer, get a tune, get a smaller pulley, I can get even some wheels, some smaller brakes, I can get new suspension, and guess what? It will not void my warranty. What? Mind-blowing. Yeah, I know, everyone's jaw is probably on the floor. Now, I'm making this video because Dodge's video just came out, and I was like, man, I got to tell my people about it. Because most of the people who watch my videos probably have some type of vehicle that they tune, want to get into a Hellcat, tune a Hellcat. This is, in my opinion, very exciting for the person who is like, oh, I'm scared to tune it. I don't want to void the warranty. Now, if you guys don't know, I voided plenty of warranties. Okay, I had a 900 all-wheel horsepower Trackhawk. I had a 1200 horsepower 8-second Charger, and I replaced that. I got a brand new Trackhawk. Don't want to do anything to it, right? I got this. Don't want to do anything to it. You know, it's nice having a car that I can just take some breaks, take to the dealership. No big deal, right? Now it's like, literally, Tim Kaniskis says, yeah, our stage 2 performance package adds over 100 horsepower. And I'm like, oh, so I can have all this, take it to the drag strip, and not void my warranty. I can put different suspension on here. They're talking about you can have pistons and all this other stuff. You want to upgrade the engine and it's covered under warranty. I'm sitting here like, bro, what? As awesome as that sounds, that sounds great, right? It's awesome. Now you're going to be able to do a ton of stuff to Durangos, Chargers, Challengers, Trackhawks, TRXs, everything, right? From the dealer. Pretty wild. They even have their own, it kind of looks like a Diablo Sport. Now, I don't know if that's what that is, but they even have their own tuning things. You just plug it in and you're good to go. Now, and you get a concierge, like, it's crazy. On the flip side of this, everybody who's in the performance industry, right, which there is a ton of people in the performance industry. Now you have all these people who weren't going to tune their car, and now are going to tune their car by the dealer, right, because it's under warranty. So now, I'm not saying me, right, but I'm just saying someone like me who maybe tuned their car before and like, I'm kind of done with that scene right now. Now I'm like, ooh, I have a car, I can take it to a dealer, tell them exactly what I want, like I want to run a smaller pulley, or I want to do an upper and a lower, whatever, right? Whatever they're going to be covered under. And it's covered under warranty, and it's all EPA, like, good to go. That's hard to beat versus going to you know, one of the awesome tuners that the Mopar crowd has, like Barth Tuning, ZH Tunes, my boy Z Dung, you know, Dusterhoff, you know, all those guys. Now it's gonna be like, you know, they'll have their hardcore racers, but all the people who kind of do it for, hey, I want to tune my car so I can run nines. Now you can probably run nines with the dealer tune, and you might be able to like still mess with your tune, because once you break the ECU, right, it's broken. But if your dealer installs it and then everything is covered under warranty, that's huge for you as a consumer. Not really good for the performance industry, right? And this is, in my opinion, I think this is what they're going to try and combat with the electric wave, as I call it, to try and get as much people as into racing as they can, and still be able to sell parts and stuff. Because again, like when you're on the electric side, there's not a lot that you can do as of right now, right? At least like with these, like I can put a smaller pulley, I can put a lower pulley, I can go on E85, I can put bigger injectors, blah, blah, blah. With the electric, it's like, well, I can gut it, maybe put some lighter wheels. That's really about it for right now. It's good and bad. It's great for the consumer because now, like, someone who doesn't want to tune their car now can go tune their car and be factory warranted. That's pretty wild. I mean, they have a whole list of stuff. I mean, it is insane. I'll link Dodge's video. You guys can go watch it, but it's a big announcement. And I'm surprised that Dodge is the only one doing this. Now, I'm assuming that Ford and Chevy will hop on board, because if you guys don't know, the new C8s are not impossible to break into, but it's a bitch and it's super expensive. So imagine if Chevy was like, hey, we can tune your car here. It's under warranty. You know how many people are going to do that? But how many people are going to lose business because of that? So it's going to be an interesting thing as far as the performance industry goes, where Dodge is offering all this stuff at the factory. Like everything that you would want to do to your car, you can get it done at the factory. That's pretty insane to me. So I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments below. To me, this is a huge, huge thing. And I'm not surprised that Dodge is the first one to do it, but I'm curious to know if Ford and Chevy will hop on board and follow suit. In my opinion, Ford is kind of moving away, it seems like, and Chevy, they're holding on to the Corvette, but that's like the only thing that they have. You know, Dodge is still coming out with these crazy ass cars, and I feel like Ford is starting to go more towards electric, and Dodge is really they're holding on for dear life. And they have a full 2-year plan of kind of how this is going to work out. But after that 2 years, I'm curious to see what's going to happen. So that's your guys' video for today. Let me know in the comments below kind of what you guys think. You know, it's funny because I literally was not going to do anything to this car. I was literally going to go look at, like, buying like a different car that I could just fuck up. I could cut up. I could put a new engine in, turbo it, whatever, right? It doesn't matter. Like now it's like, fuck, man. Do I just say fuck it and like start tuning this? I don't know. Like, what? Or imagine, right? Imagine I get the demon fixed, right? I fix it. Now I can go get it tuned? Are you kidding me? Like, bro, it's tough. It is tough. Like, or even the, TRX, right? Because all these cars, once you tune them, they run a lot better. They even get better gas mileage if you do it correctly. Oh, man, it's going to be interesting for sure. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. It's going to be an interesting time for the performance industry. This is going to be one of those things we look back in like 20 or 30 years and like, that was the moment where everything changed. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys say what's up in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching today's video. My name is Kevin Van Voorhis. Follow me at CaliBoyKev on Instagram and on Snapchat. If you guys want to see this or whatever other cars or bullshit I do, I'm out this bitch. Have a great day.